Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can split and cut videos in CapCut PC. It is a pretty simple task. You're just going to grab your video, go to the clip that you want to split, and you can just select split. Or control, I can't see it. There's going to be a shortcut, but I don't really use it. You can also split and delete the right side as well as split and delete the left side. You can also select the B, which is the split, and you can cut by just pressing on it. But those are just I think those are 3 or 2 ways to do it. On how to split clips on CapCut PC. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!